Hi, this is Scott from Haze Technologies. We're here for the unboxing video of the Haze Dual V3. So we're going to start off with the batteries. These are going to come pre-wrapped in some plastic wrap. Just take them out of there. You've got your charger here. You're going to push these right down in, positive side up. And on this charger you have it comes with an AC plug, but also comes with a DC plug that we sell separately as a car charger. You've also got this port on the side, so if you run out of battery in your phone, you can take the juice out of these batteries and push it into your phone by plugging in a USB. However, you must have the AC plug unplugged at that time, otherwise you'll be charging these batteries. So when you get your unit, here's the unit. Inside you've got of course, the first and only dual chamber vaporizer on the market. You've got your 4 temperature setting indicators here. And on the bottom you've got your battery door, so you just kind of slide that out, pull it up. You're going to put the battery in negative side first, the button top up, push it down, and then just slide it over, and that'll lock it into place. So once you put your desired screen or can type, and we'll talk about those in a second, you're going to get into the vaporization process. So all you do to do that is just flip the switch. You've got your mouthpiece. This can store inside, and then you can just pull it out like this. It's height adjustable, so when the switch is in the neutral position, it is off. When it is in the one way or the other, you'll see a open circle, which corresponds to this chamber, or a closed circle that corresponds to this one. So that's how you know what you're heating. And you'll see this temperature light is blinking. You can go through your 4 different temperature settings. As soon as this light stops blinking and is solid, that's when you're ready to go. So that's basically the unit. You've got 2 different mouthpieces that we give you, a glass and a stainless steel. It's just a matter of preference what you use, but we give you one as a backup. You have your cleaning tool here. This is going to be used mainly for light particulate. If you get some dry herb kind of in the area there, you can kind of brush it out. You can use this side to clean inside the vapor path, but we have a cleaning video that we recommend that you take a look at, and we offer a cleaning kit as well that you can take a look at as well. But for the most part, you're going to use alcohol and Q-tips for that. You have your tweezer shovel tool. This is a great tool, very handy. You could use it for a lot of different ways, from cleaning to loading your dry herb. Get into the screens over here. You've got 2 different types of screens. These cutout ones here are the conduction screens. You're going to get a little thicker vapor, probably won't hold the taste as long, and you're going to get the opposite experience with the convection, where it will probably prolong the taste, but you might not have as thick of vapor. But you should get pretty good vapor quality and density out of both of these. Over here with the stainless steel lid, you have the dry herb can. With this, you can just grind up your dry herb, drop it right in, tamp it down a little bit, and then you're going to put the lid on just like this, where you kind of notch that in there, and then this little tab goes inside the can, and you can see how there's air holes there. Important thing on these cans is making sure that you place them in the device the right way. You'll see you have holes here. They're going to line up for those holes, so you're going to drop it in with these little hooks towards the back. Speaking of that, if your cans are still warm and you want to remove them, you can use this little tweezer tool, pull them out, set it on a heat resistant surface, and then load something in. That's the convenience of the cans. This other can over here got a couple different uses for it. If you're using e-liquid, it comes with this cotton wick stuffed inside. So you would drop it in the bottom, you saturate this, don't soak it. It shouldn't be so-called underwater. If it is, you put too much e-liquid in there, but you just saturate it, and you're going to again drop it in. You put your silicone lid on top. You'll see how this lines up. There's a channel that kind of lines up to this little groove here, and you just drop it in the same way with the hooks in the back. If you are using concentrate, you just want to remove this wick. Small little teeny dab goes a very long way. Rice size grain or smaller, just drop it in the bottom of the can. Again, put the lid on, make sure you're putting it on the right way, It's pretty simple, and once you get the hang of this, you just see how that will line up for the airflow, and again, you drop it in here. So these pre-packaged cans are great if you want to kind of take care of all your business in advance, and then just swap them out. We have a carrying case and some other accessories that help carry them around. The last piece really in the box is the instruction manual. I kind of gathered that you'll probably get as much out of this video from a usage standpoint as anything else, but this is in here for your reference as well. Thanks for watching the Haze Dual V3 unboxing video. This is Scott from Haze Technologies, and